not a boat that has been put together randomly. You need a good, seaworthy vessel. I am Professor Ryan Blumenthal, forensic pathologist, and this is Lessons for the Living. The captain metaphor. To be a captain in life, you need 5 things. Number 1, you need to study at the feet of a good captain. Someone that has studied the seas and has sailed the roughest oceans. Once you have studied under the feet of a good captain, you need a good boat, a good seaworthy vessel that can hold itself together in the roughest of seas. Number 3, you need a good crew. You cannot sail a big ocean liner without good crew. Number 4, you need to know where you're sailing. You cannot just sail around the harbor and call yourself a captain. And number 5, you need lighthouses. Lighthouses are the people that know where the dangerous reefs are and can prevent you from ending up shipwrecked on the shoals of life. These are all personal opinions from my many years behind the autopsy table. It's public health advice from the autopsy table. Please do not sue me. But if you find this helpful, you're welcome to buy me a coffee. The link is in the description.
Voila.